In this problem we are given that Ferrari cars are driven only once on each of the possible different days of a week. Now we know that Ferrari cars are driven only on Sundays, Wednesdays and Fridays. So as per the given statement of the problem, Ferrari cars are driven only once on all of the Sundays and only one of the Wednesdays and only one of the Fridays, making it 3 days. So Ferrari cars will be driven only on 3 days in the given 2 months. Now we know that the other cars were driven for 30 number of days. We have calculated that the value of Fe is 3, so that leaves Mercedes plus Chevrolet equals to 27. The only possible solutions for this equation is when Mercedes is 14 and Chevrolet is 13. So the correct answer is option 3.